Okay, so for this question, you have actually seen some like this already. You're going to be glad I gave you all those papers to do. I know it's painful now, but so what we've got to do is we've got to think of this as two fractions. So, whoops, Dan, get that. So I'm going to put this over 1. So now I look at 1 and x plus 3 and ask myself this x plus 3, not that top x plus 3. And then I ask myself, what's the common denominator? Well, it's going to be 1 times x plus 3, or in easy speak, we're going to say x plus 3, right? Because the 1 doesn't matter. So this fraction is missing in x plus 3. Now it's in the denominator we're worried about, right? Not the numerator. So even though that x plus 3 is in the numerator, we have to multiply that fraction by that. So what's x plus 3 times x plus 3? Well, we could write that as x plus 3 squared plus 2. And I'll bet my open math would take that for an answer. I'm hoping to get you a little more practice with the foiling and factoring. So remember, I don't want you to think that x plus 3, right? So I'm going to do this. Don't do this. Don't write x squared plus 9, right? You want to write it twice. You got to follow order of operations. That's what that violates. So that gives me x squared, and then the outside is 3x, the inside is 3x, add them together, you get 6x. And then of course, 3 times 3 is 9. So that's what the numerator is. No, actually, sorry, that's just what that expansion is. So x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 2 more, which you could write as 11, right? Over x plus 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count down here. So x squared plus 6x plus 11 over x plus 3. And you're going to love this because what can I multiply to get 11? 11 and 1. There's no way I can get that to be 6. So I'm done. This is unfactorable, which means it's prime, right? A prime number is like 7 or 11 or what? What's another prime number here? I'm trying to blank. Well, 13 is, right? I can't factor those. Those are 1 and 13, right? So that's what, and so again, this would be what I'd enter in for f of x. This was what I'd enter in for g of x. And I don't know, probably they got something wonky here. Well, they didn't expand it, but this wouldn't be marked right also. I would rather you wrote this just to get the practice foiling and factoring, but whatever.